This Windows trick nobody uses, and it's brilliant. 99% of Windows users don't use this, and it saves you hours of work. Press Win button plus V. Windows has a built-in feature that remembers everything you copy. Press Windows key plus V. If you're seeing this for the first time, click Turn On. Instead of only remembering the last copy, Windows remembers more text, links, and images. You can go back to any previous copy-paste.
This is brilliant if you write emails, copy links, work with documents, use ChatGPT or AI tools.
Bonus tip: you can pin important items so Windows always remembers them. Click on Pin. If you want more Windows tricks like this, subscribe to the channel. PC Tips and Tricks.